Fadnavis says citizens visiting Mantralaya for grievances must reduce. He urges bureaucrats to improve services during his first meeting with them. Fadnavis calls for digitization and integration with the Aapne Sarkar portal. A committee of retired bureaucrats will recommend process simplifications. Fadnavis requests Speaker Narvekar to limit crowding in the legislature. He says the legislature should not turn into a bazaar due to crowding. Fadnavis emphasizes reducing the need for physical presence at Mantralaya. He calls for rationalizing documents and reducing bureaucratic hurdles. An audit of the government services portal will be undertaken. Fadnavis urges simplifying certificate issuance and implementing online delivery. He orders recruitment of 1.5 lakh new employees with clear timelines. Fadnavis wants a comprehensive training module for new and existing staff. A systematic approach to address staff grievances is required, says Fadnavis. Fadnavis asks bureaucrats to spend more time in the field to improve coordination. A schedule for district visits by guardian secretaries will be developed. Fadnavis calls for creation of PMO communication cells in all departments. He urges better tracking of central proposals through Maharashtra Sadan. Fadnavis calls for a centralized system to monitor welfare scheme proposals. He orders setting up two war rooms for infrastructure and flagship programs. The infrastructure war room should be ready by December end, Fadnavis says. Fadnavis pushes for completing the final 10% of the Mahanet fiber optic project. He calls for fiber connectivity to Anganwadis and streamlined scheme implementation. Fadnavis advocates a single portal for all Mahamandals and boards for better access.